Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below so you won't miss any of my videos. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube Shorts template on Canva. Okay, so log into your account at canva.com, and once you're already on this front page, click on Templates. Go ahead and search for YouTube Shorts. There you go. Click on that. And if once you are already on the YouTube Shorts templates, you can go ahead and choose among the available templates, or you can just create a blank YouTube Shorts. And once you're done with that, you can just choose anything and then save it, and that's it. I hope that this video helped you a lot. See you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.